Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 2023, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this Infinix. You need to begin by accessing Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down. Following that, select System at the bottom. Now click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, select Theme section, scroll all the way down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you'll see all available themes. When you're ready, just click on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and tap on Apply. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. You can always customize it though by accessing the same settings, but this time selecting this plus icon under My Themes. Over here, click on the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right on this slider. Tap on Done. Manage key borders and click on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. If you wish to delete one of your keyboards, click on it, tap on the spin icon next to key borders, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also edit one of your custom ones by tapping on it, choosing this pen icon next to the pin one, and making your changes. When you finished, click on Apply again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!